Before we deliver your brand new electric range, make sure it's the proper fit. Double check the height, width, and depth of the area the range will sit, and do a walkthrough of the delivery path. Measure the doorways, hallways, and other obstacles to ensure the appliance can fit. And make sure the oven door and drawer will have enough clearance to fully open. This range requires a 240-volt electrical outlet, and it must be within 4 feet of where the appliance will sit. You will have a 3-prong or a 4-prong outlet. The outlet will determine which electric cord to use. A new electric cord is required for this appliance. We cannot reuse your existing electric cord or hardwire your range during installation. And don't forget to empty out your old range before we arrive so we can easily haul it away. Delivery and setup will go smoothly if you follow these helpful tips, giving your appliance the proper fit.